The Venus Factor. The Venus Factor is the first and only weight loss plan designed to dramatically increase female metabolism and bring out the sexy goddess in you by delivering fast, long-term, enjoyable fat loss without restricting the foods you crave most. This female fat loss blueprint will work for you even if you have little to no time, terrible genetics like Lisa and I, a super slow metabolism, a thyroid condition, or even if you think you've tried everything. Now let me tell you what the Venus Factor is not so you know what you're about to experience. It is not another fad, restrictive, or difficult diet that inevitably results in uncontrolled food cravings, frustrating plateaus, diminished energy and fatigue, a damaged, slower, fat-storing metabolism. Or at best, temporary weight loss with piles of embarrassing rebound weight gain to follow. No, generic diets for men have set your metabolism up to fail enough. It's time for a solution that truly works with your female metabolism instead of against it, that ensures your success. When your metabolism fat-burning switch is turned on using the Venus Factor strategies that have been proven and perfected with thousands of women just like you, you can expect the exact opposite experience of the other diets. No food cravings, no plateaus, and astonishingly faster, fat-burning metabolism, permanent fat loss from female problem areas like your stomach, hips, butt, and thighs. All while your energy soars. Your weight rapidly decreases and you finally have the freedom to claim the life and body you absolutely deserve. The Venus Factor is a super easy to follow 12-week nutrition plan that shows you exactly what to do step by step to create a new fat-burning metabolism. You'll discover things like surprising foods that damage leptin sensitivity and make losing even a single pound next to impossible for women. Watch how fast the weight falls off in the first 2 weeks of the program when you simply eliminate these processed and soy foods. The one cheat food trick that spikes female metabolism and keeps your leptin sky high. This is the only way for women to burn fat around the clock, even when you're sound asleep. Once you learn this secret, you'll never look at fat loss the same way again. The one vital nutrient for weight loss almost all women are exceptionally deficient in. Raise this one nutrient starting today and immediately increase your fat burning and skyrocket your energy levels. The one odd herb recently proven to accelerate female fat loss by increasing leptin sensitivity a whopping 52%. And now, what women find most remarkable. The groundbreaking Venus Factor virtual nutritionist that shows you exactly what to eat and when for the next 12 weeks to disintegrate fat from your problem areas. Your virtual nutritionist is designed to help make every 10 pounds you lose look like 20 by burning fat from where you visually need to most. As you can probably tell, the Venus Factor was developed to take female fat loss to another level and fast. In fact, hundreds of women report inches vanishing from their problem areas within weeks, and they have the startling pictures you're seeing to prove it, which is amazing considering they're experiencing these rapid results while still enjoying their favorite foods like pizza, pasta, ice cream, and chocolate at the perfect times to accelerate female fat loss. Now that you've seen a ton of everyday women just like you that have enjoyed incredible success with the Venus Factor, let's quickly check out what a few of the top fat loss professionals in the industry have to say about it. Dr. Hollowell, an international physician who specialized in treating thousands of overweight patients in the United States and Canada, says, "I've never reviewed a nutrition plan so perfectly catered for the female metabolism and hormonal environment to encourage quick, sustainable fat loss." International best-selling fat loss author and fitness expert Kyle Leon says, "This truly cutting-edge system has enabled hundreds of my female clients with already exceptional fat loss results to reach a remarkable new level of long-term leanness." Now look, before we go any further, it's important for me to be 100% honest and upfront with you. If you're looking for that magic weight loss answer, or if you just want this week's celebrity fad diet, or some gimmick deep down you already know will never work, the Venus Factor is not for you. The Venus Factor is only for women that are ready to put down the gimmick answers in order to follow a proven, flavorful, step-by-step system for lifelong weight loss. So, if you want the real answer to permanent female weight loss, and if you want to get the bikini body you desire without damaging your metabolism, or spending endless hours in the gym and sacrificing your favorite foods or red wine to do it, then the Venus Factor isn't just a system for you, it's the only system for you.